Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix hOn app not working. So let's get started. So here I can see the hOn app. If it's not work, you have to follow these instructions. Just press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. Okay. So then you have to scroll down and you have to see for the storage section. Just click on here. And here you have to click on the clear data. And you have to delete the data. Okay, then after that if it's work then fine, if it's not work you have to follow the same step. So the second solution is to check for update. Just go at Google and you have to search for the hOn app. Okay, so here you can see, just click on here and then you have to click on the update button. You can update it. If it's work by updating it, it's fine. If it's not work, like after updating, you have to reinstall it. So by this you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.